Hello children, welcome back to our class. Today we are going to summarize the lesson number 9, more about shapes. At first we learned about lines. Isn't it? The starting of the lesson we learned about lines. And I told you there are two kinds of lines, straight line and curved line. Straight lines are three sides. They are, first one is vertical line. Vertical line or standing line. Its another name is standing line. This is vertical line. And the second one, this is the second line. This line is called horizontal line. Horizontal line. Or its another name is sleeping line. Third one is slanting line. Third one is slanting line. This line is little bit slant. And the fourth one is curved line. This is curved lines. Curved line. These three lines are straight and this line is curved. Okay. Now we are going to recollect the name of plane shapes. In this lesson we learned about plane shape also. Okay. See, some plane shapes are here on the board. Let us see which are these. The first one, we know the opposite sides of a rectangle is equal. Here the opposite sides are equal. These two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. That means this is a rectangle. The first one is rectangle. Next, second one, see here. It has four sides and all four sides are equal. That means this is a square. A square has four sides and all four sides are equal. So the name of this figure is square. Third one is, see here, it has three sides. That means it is a triangle. A triangle has three sides. So, these are the three plane figures. First one is rectangle, second one is square, third one is triangle. And now the fourth one. See the picture. See, the fourth figure is a circle. And a circle has curved side. Its side is curved. So the name of this picture is circle. Next one is oval shape. It is also has curved sides and it is an elongated circle. It is also just like a circle, but it is elongated in both sides. So its name is oval. These are the plane shapes. First one is rectangle, then square, third is triangle, fourth one is circle, and the fifth one is oval. Now we are going to recollect the name of solid shapes. See the picture of the solid shape. This is the shape of a, can you say which shape is this? Yes, it is a cube. A cube. This is a cube. A cube has 6 sides and all 6 sides are equal, just like a square. Okay? Next, solid figures are, see, the second one is cuboid. This is a cuboid. Third one is a cylinder. And the fourth one, this is the picture of a cone. And the last one is a sphere. Children, in this lesson you learned about lines, plane shapes and solid shapes. And today we recollected all these names. You all write and draw these pictures in your rough notebook. Okay? Bye.